Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to reset calendar.google.com. If you've ever wanted to clear out your Google Calendar to remove clutter or start over for better organization, you're in the right place. Wiping your schedule clean is simpler than it looks, and I'll guide you through each phase. Let's get started so you can have a tidy interface immediately. Begin by signing into your Google account. Navigate to the Google Calendar login page and provide your email and password. Once you've entered your details, hit the Next button to move forward. This is your first move toward a fresh start. After logging in, go to your calendar view for October 2024. While we are using this specific date, the steps remain identical regardless of when you do this. Seeing your current schedule means you're almost ready for the reset. Now, look for the Settings gear icon, typically located in the upper right area of the screen. Selecting this will open the Settings menu where the real changes happen. Inside the settings, focus on the specific calendar you want to clear. You'll find a list of your calendars on the left sidebar. Click the one you intend to reset to access its individual options. Don't be distracted by the various settings here. We are only looking for one specific feature today. Scroll down through these calendar-specific settings until you spot the Delete section. It's often tucked away near the bottom of the page. Once you find it, click the button. Take a moment to be sure, as this is the final stage. After clicking Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. You must select Permanently Delete to finish. Remember, this action cannot be undone. Once confirmed, every event, meeting, and reminder in that calendar is gone forever, so ensure you are ready before clicking. You have now successfully cleared your Google Calendar. It's a blank canvas to help you manage your time more efficiently. You can now start adding new events and reminders in a more structured way. Before we finish, here are a few suggestions. Try sorting events into different calendars for better oversight, and use color coding to distinguish between various task types. Also, periodic cleaning can prevent the need for a full reset later. I hope this tutorial was useful and you feel confident managing your schedule. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments. Remember to like and subscribe for more guides. Here is to a more productive and organized life.